Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to change profile bio in WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So first of all, head on to WhatsApp. Then over the top, you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and go to settings. Then over here on the top, you'll find your name. Tap on it and over here you can see about. You can see here are multiple options to choose with, or you can write your own if you type on this pencil icon. I'll write for my as just message before call. You can see here I have written my bio as just message before call and hit save. Within few time, your about section is gonna be updated in WhatsApp. In this way, you can update your about section in WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.